अनुरोध करुछि द इंटरव्यू टाइम्स परिवार रो रेसिडेंट एडिटर श्री सायक कर्माकन को आज कार्यक्रम कार्यपंथा विषय किछि कहिबे इंटरव्यू टाइम संपर्क विषय किछि कहिबे संक्षिप्त रे अनुरोध करिबे श्री सायक कर्माकन को दयाकरी मंच पर आसीबे।
In this corona time and amidst a very busy schedule, you people have come and kept this event a nice one. So our editor-in-chief, Mr. Dibyajit Sahu, gave me the responsibility of talking about the growth of interview times. So before that, what I want to explain people is what do we actually understand by the word journalism, or what is actually the work of a journalist. So which is like in this scenario, in this 21st century and in Indian media especially, people misunderstood it, the masses misunderstood it because of the sensationalization of the Indian media. So basically, journalism is a medium through which we spread information about a piece of event. So, and journalists act as a tool for spreading the information. We journalists act as a bulb, will throw light on the incident, and it's up to the people to decide whether it's good or whether it's bad. However, say since the mid 90s or the late 90s, like after the privatization of the electronic media, we saw the emergence of a lot of regional and national level electronic media channels. So at first, maybe they were entertaining. However, like gradually it eroded the ethics of what a journalist or what a media house should actually be. Well, and it's sad that we are continuing it nowadays, and people in 2019 or in 2020 think media as debates, where people act like as Dolby sound atom bombs, and there are this headlines from a very reputed Hindi national media. It's like UFO ne churai Bharatiya Go Mata. So this is what the taglines and this is what journalism has meant for India. So the reason of me saying this is that somewhat a decade ago, say around 2010 or 2011, a person from Odisha thought of bringing back the change in media house, and he thought of bringing back the old ethics back to the Indian media. I'm talking of none other than Mr. Dibyajit Sahu, our editor-in-chief, who, with the motto of pioneering positive journalism, started with the Interview Times. I can proudly say Interview Times is the biggest selling magazine of Odisha, and we have covered almost 50,000 personalities all over Odisha, India, as well as abroad. Then what next? In 2016, we saw two things. One was demonetization, and the other was the advent of internet, the emergence of abundance internet with less cost, thanks to the Ambanis, of course. However, at that point of time, many people thought of using those internet or using those data for downloading movies or downloading songs and keeping it in with them. However, our editor-in-chief at that point of time saw the vision of making a digital platform of Interview Times. So we opened our own website, and today, 4 years later, we have over 5 million viewers of people, of traffic who is coming to every month and visiting our website. Also, this can only have been possible because of the team. We have a team of 25 members who are currently working hard day and night to present the best news to our people. So some of them are present here, like there's Moshami, there's Shubhra, there's Lingraj, who attends the digital part, there's Bablu, who does the social media part, And there are some who aren't present now. Chandraveer Singh, Yogita, Tushant, Tushar, some previous employees like Itishri, Shobhan, Ishani. It's a team effort. Because of the whole team, we have been able to achieve what we are today. But, however, the ethics of journalism hasn't been forgotten. We still follow the same ethics. We still show the news and let upon our readers to decide whether it's good or bad. So neither we ask Puchta Hai Bharat, nor we say any Sansani news, nor we play Antakshari in the media channel, or neither we give a kandha to a girl who is allegedly under NCB for murder or a drug case. So this is how the Interview Times have grown into one of the biggest media platforms of Odisha. Apart from that, there's one more thing. Like apart from the media house, we are also a 360-degree media hub. The reason of which, one of the prime reasons of which we are all present here. We in Interview Times have prospered in the field of event management and are conducting one of the biggest award shows of Odisha, which is the top 20 most inspirational personalities. This is by far the most important one, as we award the best people from the diverse background of achievements in Odisha and give them the platform to showcase their talent. So I may conclude it by saying that even though it's 9 years, but still we have just started. We feel that we have just started. It's a long way to go. If sky is the limit, we'll reach the sky sooner or later. Thank you very much.